guys, so check it out. Look what happened. All gone. All gone. Okay, I put it there. Okay, that's it. I'm done with CPU mining. Well, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get rid of pretty much all of them except maybe one motherboard. But I'm going to keep the power supplies, okay, and get rid of the fans, the memory. I'm gonna get rid of them. All right, no more CPU mining for me. No more GPU mining for me. I'm just going strictly with mini ASICs like this or like that. You know, those mini ASICs. And I am going to start possibly repairing some mini ASICs. As you see here, this is the KD box that I had gotten from eBay, and I'm working on it and still haven't solved the problem. I got two of things I'm in suspect that it could be, but what I did was I went ahead and I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna buy another one that's running at a cheap price. So I got another KD box for only 75 bucks. So it should be here by either tomorrow or the next day. But it's already in New York. But I should get it by tomorrow or the next day. So the reason why I bought it, I just went ahead and let me just spend these $75, throw $75 away. Not really. So what I'm doing is I need another one that's actually running, so I can do some measurements with the meter, you know, in comparison with the one that's bad. Then I can probably figure out what's wrong with this one. You know, it's becoming like a hobby. You know, I just want to mess around with this KD box and see if I can figure out what's wrong with it. So, like I said, and the only thing I'm dealing with is what is it? The mini ASICs. That's the only ones that I'm going to mess around with. I'm not going to get too many. I'm going to get a few of them. And I'm going to start doing this hobby project of rebuilding mini ASICs. Repairing mini ASICs and master nodes. That's it. So I'm going to purchase one master node today. So I should leave me with about 55 master nodes so far. You know, because I don't got to waste any electricity. You know, that's the thing, because electric cost is right now here where I'm at 16 cents around there. So that's too much. So, and pretty much hooking everything up to, as much as I can, to solar. Right now, this Ice River KSO Pro, the one that I got from eBay for about $99, I got it hooked up to the solar system. Okay. And another thing that's coming that I had purchased was instead of this, I'm gonna swap this out, this 40 amp charge controller to a 60 amp. So I'm moving this, you know, I'm scaling it up. I'm gonna have to replace this also, and some cable. I'm gonna get thicker cable. So, and that's all hooked up to 9 panels right now so far. You know, I don't want to push it. I'm already pushing it for that controller. So I'll be able to probably put about 15, 16 panels with the other ones. Probably even a little more. I don't know. I have to calculate and, you know, see how I got it set up. But then I'm going to switch it over most likely to a 24 volt system. Because right now it's 12 volts. You know, I got all of the 7 batteries there. I'm going to get one more battery. So that's going to complete this parallel connection of batteries, 8 batteries. So, you know, I'm taking this stuff down, getting rid of this memory. I'm going to get rid of mostly all of the motherboards that I got. I'm keeping the power supplies because I'm going to need the power supplies so I can hook it up to some of these box miners that I'm going to get. You know, not this specific one, you know, this is a slow one, whatever, but you get what what I mean. So I've been like looking on eBay and things like that, see if I can get cheaper ones and stuff like that. So I'm like kind of going into more of a repairing mini A6. I'm not gonna do the full A6 because I don't want to mess with that, because I don't want to hook that up in my house, you know, loud noise and stuff like that, and I don't have the proper connection in this house. I mean, I could mess around with that. I'm not getting into that, you know. Plus, I don't want that in my house. It's, like I said, it's too loud and stuff. So I'm dealing right now with some mini A6 at this point. Some. I'm not gonna get all 1,000 mini A6. I'm just gonna get probably a couple of them. Mainly trying to get these at a good price. These K0 Pros. Probably a couple. We get a couple again. I don't know. We'll see what happens. But I'm definitely taking these CPUs rigs down and getting rid of them. And going, like I said, into messing around. And I got a few instruments that I purchased, and a couple of things that I bought, you know. So those things are coming in for me to start messing around with repairs. I've always wanted to get a few of the items that I ordered, like what is it? The one of those heat I forgot the name of it. What is it called? Those heat monitor things. So one of those is coming in like on, what is it, Friday? Yeah, 2 days. You know, those heat temperature. You know, I don't know what, you know what I mean. But I gotta get. I'm gonna get that. I'm getting a few other things are coming in also for me to mess around with. You know, meters and stuff like that too, so I can check things out. You know, check the circuits. So that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Yeah, it's a thermal. Yeah, one of those thermal guns. Yeah, that's what I'm getting. Thermal gun. That's gonna come on Friday. I'm getting a thermal gun. A bunch of other things. I can't even think about it. Top of my head. I got so many things going on. And yeah, I'm getting one of those power supplies. Those adjustable ones that you could adjust the voltage and the amperage. I'm getting one of those. That's coming in today, so I can, you know, be able to inject these boards, you know, and try to find the short, you know what I mean. But, and a few other things. And that's pretty much it, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later on the next one. Peace, and I'm out. Latest.